Pizza pockets loaded up with veggie and cheese. Flavor-tastic, easy to make, tasty indeed. Pizza pockets, dip it in sauce, how do we make this? Oil, garlic, saute your golden, colorful and quick vegetable plate. Keep the veggies getting hot, sure to pick it up in the right spot. All that goodness in the pan, green peas and potato and yam. Seasoned up with parsley and some basil. Crushed red pepper, marinara sauce and plenty of cheese. You know it gets better. Filling is done now, all you gotta do is stuff it between some bread. Roll it through, then cut off the crust. Put the filling in, go ahead. Just a touch of water, help it all join together as one. Press and pinch down both of the sides. Make a tasty piece of fun. Toast them till they're golden. Now serve with pizza sauce on the side. Take on in, my love. Make a batch for you, me, and mine.